Alright, thank you so much. Ayan. So, who struggles with fasting before? Yung bago nag-feel great, kasama po ako doon. I would actually do fasting for about 16-8, 3 days, tuloy-tuloy. On the 4th day, the food noise is just so loud. All I could think of was, what time is it? Can I eat now? Right? Who feels hungry? Mainit ang ulo, nahihilo, naglalamig, nangangatal. Right? And this is the reason why a lot of people are not able to stick to fasting long enough to get the benefits because our bodies have been conditioned to eat 6 times a day. Right? This is why I'm so happy to share with you the Feel Great system. Alright? The Feel Great system, these are 2 simple, food-based, plant-based, halal kosher certified products that are backed by decades of science. Alright? They are proven in, ang hirap ng microphone na ito. Alright. They are proven for more than 2 dozen clinical studies. And these are all independent research institutes. Okay? They are natural, they're safe, and most importantly, no side effects. Okay? And they target the root cause, which is insulin resistance. How? By helping the body support a healthy insulin response, especially when coupled with fasting. Alright? So now, earlier when Marco asked, marami na ang nakakapag-fast. Right? So how does it work? Okay? Without the Feel Great system, ang ating glucose and insulin constantly nagsaspike. Just like what Marco has mentioned. When you start your day with breakfast with garlic rice, with pancakes, with cereal, 90% of the carbs that we are consuming is going to be converted into glucose, which triggers glucose spikes. Okay? And then in 1 to 2 hours, it will crash. By between 9 to 10, you need that mid-morning coffee break. You need that bagel, that muffin. And then once you consume it, it spikes again. In 1 to 2 hours, it's 12 noon, you're ready for lunch. Our blood glucose looks like a roller coaster ride the entire day. And what happens to your insulin? Your pancreas is on overdrive, releasing insulin. And now insulin is constantly elevated. Which means you are now storing fats. You now have love handles, belly fat, muffin top, double chin, fat on your arms, your hips, your buttocks. Because insulin is a fat storing hormone. When insulin is high, all of those excess glucose are going to enter your fat cells. Alright? When insulin is low, those fats gotta go. So, if you want to burn those fats, we need to lower insulin. Also, when insulin is constantly elevated, it leads to cravings. You're always hungry. And then, of course, leads to long-term damage. But with the Feel Great system, your glucose and insulin stay under control naturally. No spikes, no crashes. That means your body now is more fat adapted. Your body is using your love handles, your belly fat, your double chin for energy. Alright? Less cravings. You don't feel sleepy after eating. Alright? Because you have steady energy all day long. So, let me introduce to you the first product, and that is Unimate. Hawak ko ang tea. Diba? Alright, so Unimate is a purified and concentrated extract of yerba mate. What is yerba mate? If you're familiar with matcha, that is from Japan. On the other side of the world, there is another powerful plant called yerba mate. It is Argentina's national drink. Okay? In South America, dyan po nakikita ang yerba mate. So it is Argentina's national drink. They call it drink of the gods. They say it's liquid gold. Yerba mate contains pretty much all the essential nutrients our bodies need to survive. But not all yerba mate drink are created equal. Okay, the ones that you see in the grocery store, lots of sugar. This Unimate underwent a patented 5-step process to make this a highly potent extract of yerba mate. This doesn't contain any sugar, so when you take this, it won't break your fast. Okay? Zero naturally flavored, zero sugar added, natural caffeine, ultra concentrate, vegan, halal, kosher certified. Okay, how do you take this? You can take it hot, you can take it cold. I personally drink it hot in the morning, especially during winter. Okay? But you can also drink it cold. So about 500 milliliters of water. Again, you can adjust the water level based on your taste. So, when I take it in the morning, it calms my hunger. No more food noise. Tumatahimik na yung mga food noise na yan. Alright? It also gives me a clear, focused mind. No more brain fog. It also boosts my energy because it has natural caffeine. It also boosts my mood. It increases dopamines. There are so many benefits. At ang isang napaka-importante, it increases your GLP-1 hormones naturally by up to 60% based on clinical studies. What is GLP-1 hormone? Glucagon-like peptide 1 hormone. It is the hormone that sends signal to your brain telling your brain, stop eating, you're already full. Or don't eat, you are not hungry. It is a hormone produced from your intestine, from your gut. Okay? It's a hormone. Now, it is the hormone that controls your cravings because it is a satiety hormone. It makes you feel full longer, which is basically what we need if we want to use those fats for energy, right? Now, millions are using GLP-1 drugs, those injections, Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, Tirzepatide, there are so many, right? They mimic this pathway. The key word is mimic, copy, kopya, gaya, right? Why? Because they're medicine. They're synthetic. They are not the real hormones. So now, we all know, synthetic, they can come with serious and potentially irreversible side effects, even if patients stop using these injections. If you have been following the news in the US, manufacturers of these injections are facing lawsuits more than $2 billion collectively because of side effects. What are those? To name a few, blindness, stomach paralysis, pancreatitis. Our approach, the field grade system, is we take the food first approach because this is T. Allowing our own body, our own intestine, our own gut to produce naturally that GLP-1 hormone. Right? Now, we pair Unimate with another equally powerful product called Balance. Okay? Balance is an advanced fiber nutrient blend. I call it the fiber matrix. It is a combination of soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber is the one that helps slow down the absorption of sugar, of carbs into your body. Insoluble fiber is the one that basically regulates your bowel movement, allowing you to poop out, eliminate anything that is not absorbed by your body. Okay? Again, naturally flavored, naturally sweetened, gluten-free, vegan, kosher, halal certified, and Health Canada approved. Health Canada is one of the strictest health agencies in the world giving approval to natural products. Okay? So how do you drink this? With about 250 milliliters of cold and regular room temperature water, 250 to 300. Empty the sachet, shake it fast, chug it, laklakin ng mabilis. Okay? Inumin ng mabilis. Okay? Do not let it sit inside your bottle or your glasses. Why? Because it will thicken. Lalapot. Okay? Kapag lumapot, once it thickens, it's going to be difficult for you to swallow. Baka kayo mabulunan. Alright? So, drink it and while it is still thin, habang malabnaw. Okay? It is meant to thicken, lumapot, to form a viscous gel inside your digestive tract so that when food enters, this food is going to be coated with fiber. And that changes the profile of your food. We're bringing back that fiber. In fact, based on clinical study conducted by University of Sydney, the home of glycemic index, okay? It lowers glucose absorption by up to 43%, pretty much cutting down half of the carbs that you ate. So kumain ka ng 1 cup, dahil parang half rice na lang? Ha? Ganon. Right? So imagine that. If you were to actually compare metformin, anyone here who's familiar what metformin is? Anyone? Yes. Metformin is the medicine that is given to diabetic patients to lower their glucose. Metformin, and you can look this up, metformin only lowers glucose response between 25 to 30%. And metformin is a medicine, which means it is synthetic. This is natural. Okay? 7 different fiber blends. Lots of different kinds of fiber. Now, the result when you take this before eating your meals, you don't feel bloated. Alright? No more cravings. You don't feel sleepy. And no sugar cravings after meals. So, bawas merienda. Alright? Now, it also supports healthy glucose levels. Healthy cholesterol levels. It increases your HDL cholesterol. It lowers your LDL type B pattern cholesterol. It also lowers your triglycerides. It also supports your heart health. Lowers your blood pressure. It also lowers your resting heart rate. This actually makes the perfect solution for surviving today's modern food environment because rice is life. Correct. Right? When I stop eating rice, yes, but not every day, not every week. I mean, yes, maybe one day I could, but forever, will I stop eating rice? Absolutely not. This is how I am still able to eat rice, pasta, pizza, French fries, right? Not every day, but yes, that's how we navigate through this modern food environment. Without calorie counting, no meal plans, right? No dieting. Who wants to diet? Ay, meron isa. Ay, puti pa si Kuya. Alright? No, seriously, it's difficult, right? Now, I am so proud to say that these products are backed by real science. Okay? In fact, there was a study conducted by the #1 heart hospital in the world, Cleveland Clinic. And the conclusion of that study is this: such a product, if taken regularly, could reduce cardiovascular risk on a population basis and potentially decrease the need and or dose for lipid-lowering prescription drugs. Basically, it says, inumin mo to ng regular, consistent, eventually, hindi mo na kailangan ang statin medication mo, ang rosuvastatin, ang Crestor, ang Lipitor. That is the lipid-lowering prescription drugs. I am testament to that. That is how I am able to get off my maintenance meds for cholesterol in just 2 months or 60 days. How amazing is that, right? Your Balance, by the way, is your patented natural alternative to statin medication and metformin. Unimate is your patented natural alternative to Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy. That's why the combination of these two products is really very powerful, allowing us to reverse insulin resistance. And there's more. It's also listed in the PDR. What's a PDR? The actual book is called Physician's Desk Reference. It's like a Bible to the doctors. Whenever a doctor needs to prescribe a medicine, they look at this book. The online version is pdr.net. You can look it up later, after the event. Prescriber's Digital Reference. It is the gold standard reference book for pharmaceutical drugs and only natural products backed by real science, with clinical studies, with peer reviews. Products that they can prove what they claim are the only ones listed in the PDR. And we are the only company in the world with 2 natural products listed in the PDR that directly address insulin resistance. In fact, we have 18 products listed in the PDR, but these 2 are the ones that directly address insulin resistance. What does that mean? This is not another supplement. This is proven, credible, and recognized at the highest level of healthcare. All of these benefits for just $6 Canadian dollars per day. Ano po ba mabibili natin sa $6? Maybe Starbucks venti frappuccino, $8, right? That spikes your glucose and about 600 calories. Correct? No nutritional value at all. And that's just one drink. With $6, you get 3 drinks. It's like $2 each, right? It also cuts your unnecessary calories and impulsive snacks. Also, it actually can lead to savings. I used to spend about $350 every month in Starbucks because I was addicted to coffee. I grew up, as I mentioned earlier, I was born and raised in Batangas, the home of Barako coffee. And part of our culture, we pour coffee over our rice. So at the young age of 4, I was already drinking coffee. Okay? Yes. Ay, Batangueña. Yes. Right? So, growing up, I acquired that taste, bitter taste of coffee. I enjoyed it. So, guess what? I would spend $350 average every month because there's Starbucks at the ground floor of our condo. Now, with the Feel Great system, without me intending, walang intensyon na tumigil uminom ng coffee, guess what? I just realized one day, I did not drink coffee. Huh? Ano nangyari? Bakit ako uminom ng kape ngayong araw na to? And then the next day, ay, hindi na naman ako uminom ng kape. And I just, outgrew the taste of coffee. Hindi ko na siya hinahanap. Kasi nga, ang coffee will give you a boost of energy and then after that, crash after 1 hour. Kaya tayo umiinom ng 3, 4, 5, hanggang 7 cups ng coffee every day because hindi siya sustained yung energy. Alright? This also comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Saan ka pa? Right? Why 90 days? Because that is the amount of time our body is able to fully absorb and reset from food and medicine. That's why your doctor also checks in on you if you have maintenance every 3 months to check whether your dosage needs to be increased or your medicine needs to be changed. Correct? It's the same thing with food. 90 days din po fully ma-absorb. So guess what? If you don't see any progress, if you don't see any results whatsoever, you can ask for a refund. 0 risk in trying these products. They even come with an A1C guarantee for those in the system consistently. So far, for now, it's available in the US. Hopefully, it will be rolled out in other countries. Alright? So, think about it. Meron po ba kayong gamot na nagbibigay ng money-back guarantee kapag hindi po gumana yung gamot niyo? None, right? There's no pharma company on earth that will give you that money-back guarantee. These products are helping people with life-changing results. Millions of lives changed. And at this point, hold on. Wala po kasi mata ko, pasensya. It's love. Is love here? Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, so let me now call on someone who has been on the protocol for, I think, 6 months only, right? And may we call on Love Ilustre. She actually drove all the way from Edmonton. All right. Thank you. So Love, if you could share with us what were you struggling with your health and what has the Feel Great done for you so far?
Hello po. Good morning sa inyong lahat. So, I'm Love Ilustre from Edmonton. And I've been using this product for like 6 months now. And right now, I'm gonna show you my journey, how I started with your rate system. So before, I was really struggling with my health, and I was always felt heavy. I have low energy, and I started losing my confidence. And then I also had trouble in sleeping. Apparently, I had a sleep apnea. And I used to wake up in the middle of the night, like I cannot breathe. So it's really hard, like when you're sleeping, you will wake up because you can't breathe. Like I'm struggling to breathe. I couldn't catch my breath. And also, my right knee used to hurt a lot. And I also went to the doctor. They did X-ray on me, but they didn't see anything. But I've been dealing with that for a few years already, especially after working a long day. And that time I feel like it's because of my weight. Then one day when I'm scrolling the social media, I saw this feel great system, and I've seen a lot of results with different people. And I was like, I got so curious, and I was like, why not to try this, right? And yeah, if I try it, there's nothing to lose to it. As Miss Anna said, like there's a money back guarantee when you try it, right? So I tried it right away, and so I started last October, and when I started it, I was 138 pounds. But actually that time I'm already like on diet, but it's super slow. And I actually reached 148 before I got 138. But when I started this, I already 138. And then after using these products, using the right protocol, I'm now down to 111. Yesterday, I said 111 pounds, but this morning when I checked my weight, I'm 110 pounds. That's 49 kilograms. So I was like, oh my gosh, I really like what, I have a goal too. And I love the feeling right now. And honestly, right now, I'm thinking it's really not about the weight. It's not the weight loss. It's more about our health, right? And now my knee pain is gone, and I don't wake up in the middle of the night anymore. No more bloating, no more breathing issues, no more constant hunger. Like I really love sweets, so right now I don't eat lots of sweet anymore. But I still eat sweet, and I don't feel tired during the day. So now I have more energy, I feel lighter, and I have more confidence. So one thing I didn't expect with this Feel Great and my experience here is I actually enjoy fasting, just like what Marco said. Seeing others like Marco and the team who's been in this Feel Great system, I was like really get inspired every day, especially when they keep posting about their fasting journey and their result. I was like, oh, I can do that too. And then now that's what I'm sharing to other people too. If you see the result, you're gonna get motivated more. And yeah, and it doesn't feel forced at all. It just became part of my lifestyle. So I'm still enjoying eating. However, now I have I know the right timing, right? And I enjoy it without feeling guilty. And I'm just really happy, and I'm super thankful because I started this. And now if you're listening and you're like me, you've been struggling to, I get it, I was there. I didn't even that it would work for me, but I tried. And that one decision changed a lot for me, changed my life. I never imagined that I've been doing here this one, because I don't do this actually, like sharing in front of other people that I don't know. But now it keeps me motivated, and I really love sharing what I'm doing, what I've experienced, so you guys will experience it too. And if I can do this, I know you can do this too.
Super proud of you, love. Alright, thank you so much. Very inspiring. So, may pag-asa tayo. Diba? Alright, so...
Business side.
Ha?
Sa business side. Ha? Okay.
Alright, so... May we call on another one? Alright? Ang ating Kuya, Noel Dalangin. Ayan na. Alright, so tell us what have you been struggling with before the field grade system, and then what has been your results so far, and of course, the business. Yung mission natin.
Shout out Calgary from Vancouver. So noon we plan to move here para makabahay, pero hindi nangyari. Yeah. My plan si Lord, no? So my name is Noel. I'm from Vancouver. I work night shift. I had lots of issues in life, but not marriage issues. I had high cholesterol. I work night shift. I work in a hospital. I'm a healthcare assistant, and for 10 years. And night shift, when it's night shift, it's so hard to sleep in the morning, during the day. And when you're stressed because your lack of sleep, you eat, right? And when you eat, you're hungry again. And then when you're hungry, you eat again. So that's what I know, that nagiging insulin resistant ako. No? So kung insulin resistant ka, according to the experts, 10 years lang now na maging ganyan ka, you will be like after 10 years, mataas na lahat ng readings. That's why when you age like 30 like me, no, just kidding. I'm 30 plus for 10. So when you reach that age, so mataas na lahat yung readings, cholesterol. I have rosuvastatin right now, and I stop now for 2 weeks in this protocol. I have this big tummy before, but after like 2 weeks lang ata. It was just because when I first start the protocol, I do Oman, for just I think 5 days lang. And then the next day, ano na lang, two meals a day. It's not strict right now. I'm not strict, but my tummy is getting smaller, and I feel great. The tension in my head is gone, and during night shift, I keep eating. I ask the nurses, can I go for a quick break? I eat because shake ako, hypoglycemia. Then I love to eat sweets and carbs. I just keep eating and eating, and then before, siguro, the third time I eat before, like nasa bahay ako, before sleeping, I eat banana or anything. And then that's when I know Miss Anna was like, when Marco was like invited me sa Zoom. Sabi ni Miss Anna about insulin resistance. Ganyan pala ako. Ako pala yan. And then I need to do something because I want to see my kids grow. Sino ba? Mahal natin yung family natin. If we love our family, we need to do something para sa health natin. Hindi lang sa food. We came here to Canada to care for other people.
Yes.
But sometimes we forget to care for ourselves. Then right now, this field grade will help us reach our goal, become healthy. Now, I'm so thankful to be in this community. Dahil now, slim na yung waist ko. One time when sabi ko kay Mrs., I need to go for a quick shower. When I do like that, oh my, nawala yung malaking tiyan. So nagulat ako actually, kasi mabilis siya eh. Pero hindi pa strict diet. I took picture and then I was tempted to post it on Facebook. Pero, you know what, wholesome yung natin, yung niche natin sa Facebook. So sabi ng kaibigan ko, ka-churchmate ko, baka they will misunderstood you, will understand you. Sabi ko, oh man, no? Sinend ko na lang kay Marco. Marco, I'm so proud. So, ayun. No more cravings, no? Nawawala yung food noise sa utak mo, which is, this is the battleground. When this ground here is defeated, the mouth, the hands will put something. So, the Feel Great system, the Unimate, will help us reach our goal. Tanggalin yung mga cravings. No? And, it all started, sa other side, it all started, kasi struggle, I'm really struggling. One time I told my wife, God, I need help because I only have 2-3 hours sleep and I'm really struggling. To the point na parang gusto ko nang umiyak kasi parang I need help mentally. Kasi wala na akong, hindi na ako natutulog. It's so hard. And it's really a struggle for me. And I said, Lord, you have a purpose in my life and I know may gagawin ka. Sabi ko lang, sa mga vlogs ko, sipag at syaga ng mga Pilipino ay hindi sapat. We need God to be in the center of our life. Not just to be part of it, but we let Him be the one who directs us. Diba? So, it all started sa backyard ni Marco at sa kusina nila, we dance, hawak mo ang tea. And hindi ko pala alam that this tea will bring me to where I am right now, na hindi pala ako mag-move ng Canada, Calgary, but to just go for a business trip. So, tapos business trip, pero we're having fun. We're helping people, no? So, this one made me not pick up shifts anymore. I'm not working for 2 months. Over 2 months already. Kasi sabi mo, ano na? Hindi kasi ako tumitingin sa pera. I'm not looking at the earnings here. I'm really passionate in replying to people, sending the link, and how do I treat this? And then I'm helping them, and then bringing them to Metabolic Reset. We have Metabolic Reset 3 times a week, helping you, guiding you how to take the product and help you reach your goal, and then also help you do the business. And then, pag tingin ko, sabi ko, good morning, sabi ko, may sahod na, sabi ko, ano sahod? Kasi hindi ako tumitingin sa pera. So, I need money, but hindi yung motivation ko to do this. I'm just happy doing this. And then pag-click ko, sabi, 6 days? I have this money already? So, pagka third week pa ako na, kasi baka sa una lang to, baka okay lang to sa una. So, Marco said that this is really potential. The people behind this company is not aiming for earnings. They aim, their goal, their mission is to help people like you and me. No? We're here for our families, but don't forget that we have body also na kailangan maging healthy for them. Okay? Thank you.